Hi! Welcome back to the Kahombies channel. Real talk para sa mga business owners na lumalaban araw-araw. In this video, I'm gonna share the top 3 mistakes that I made as an entrepreneur. And of course, based on my experience. Kung nag-uumpisa ka pa lang na magnegosyo, baka ito ang makatulong sa'yo para hindi masayang ang iyong pera, pagod, oras, at lakas mo. I'm Marisa Martinez. I'm not here to pretend that I know everything. I'm here to share what I've been through, my failures, my lessons, and how I'm still figuring it all out. My first real attempt as business was a coffee shop. Excited ako. I thought dapat malaki agad para mukhang professional at saka legit. So I looked for a capital. At that time, I was still starting, and I had a business partner who shared with the capital. And I also pushed hard and registered the business immediately. Kahit na nagsisimula pa lang kami. Kahit na wala pang clear na sistema. At first, okay naman. But soon I realized, ang dami ko pang hindi alam. And until now, I'm still dealing with the problem with that early registration. Especially sa legal side sa pagko-close ng negosyo. Then came the big second mistake. Instead of focusing and learning from that first business, I jumped to another and another. There was actually a time na pati mga network marketing, pinatus ko din. Not once, but multiple times. And every time, akala ko baka ito na, pero hindi pa pala. I ended up wasting my energy, money, and most importantly, my focus. Eventually, on our third business, we made another critical mistake. We bought big equipment agad-agad. Walang solid na cash flow strategy. Walang testing phase. We just assume na okay to para magmukhang seryoso. But what we really did was kill our cash flow. And now, these are the top 3 mistakes and the solutions and realizations I learned from those. Number 1 mistake, believing that you need a big capital to start. But actually, this is where I learned to start on what you have. Dito ka na-realize na pag wala kang solidong plano at first time mo pa talagang magnegosyo, nasa testing phase ka pa lang, nasa testing period ka pa lang, huwag mong ilagay lahat ang capital mo. Huwag mong ipusta lahat. Ipusta mo lang yung kaya mong mawala para kung nasunog man siya, natalo ka, at least makakabangon ka ulit. Dito natutunan ko na magsimula tayo kahit sa maliit muna. Hindi yung kailangan malaki. So, let's learn to start small and grow smart. Mistake number 2. Lack of focus and jumping from one business to another. Kaya siguro wala talaga akong naipundar, wala talaga akong na-establish kasi nga pabago-bago yung aking mga negosyo. Focus on learning one business at a time. Ako kasi, ang nangyari, I jumped from one business to another. Kinalat ko lahat yung resources ko. You stick long enough to see the lessons. Para naman may silbi, di ba? Don't chase shiny objects and quick income. Lalo na yung mga nagpa-promise ng malaking balik. Di ba? Madami yung dati. Number 3 mistake. Buying big equipment without cash flow readiness. Ako talaga natutunan yung about sa cash flow. Ang napakahalaga pa lang dapat matutunan sa negosyo ay ang pag-control ng cash flow. Natural na sa ating mga negosyante na magkaroon ng sales. Magbenta, magkaroon ng sales. Pero hindi lang sa benta dapat nakafocus. Dapat tayo nakafocus sa cash flow. Ika nga nila, cash flow is king. Dito ka natutunan na pwede kang mag-invest basta ready yung cash flow mo. Nakwento ko dati yung about sa truck story dahil nga sa na-excite kami at alam namin na magagamit siya in the future. Hindi agad-agad. Niloan namin siya. So, yun yung talagang pumapatay ng cash flow. Dito, mag-invest tayo sa mga malalaking equipment kung kaya nang i-sustain ng ating business operation. Hindi lang dapat dahil maganda siya tignan or pang level up. Naniniwala ako bilang isang negosyante na you don't need to look successful. Actually, you need to build a business that lasts. One that works with your life and not against it. Success is not about how big you start. It's actually how wisely you move. The real enemy, pressure and pride. yung pressure to impress, yung pride na ayaw magkamali. Pero ang negosyo ay hindi lang about image lang. It's about the impact. And to create an impact, it actually takes time. So if you're one who's made mistakes in your businesses or just figuring things out, join me here on Kahome Biz. Let's share honest lessons, learn from one another, and take one real step at a time. Mistakes are not dead ends. They are actually redirections. Kaya huwag kang matakot magkamali. Basta handa kang matuto. You can start again, this time with more wisdom. Kung nakatulong ang video na to sa'yo, pakishare naman sa ating mga kapwa negosyante. Comment your biggest lesson and we learn from each other. You can subscribe for more content like this, raw, real, and rooted in experience. This is Kahome Biz. Dito, totoo ang diskarte. Dito, hindi ka nag-iisa. See you in the next one!